Hello everyone, I'm Kate here and welcome back to our channel. And in this video I'm gonna show you how to share shopping cart on Amazon. So without further ado, let's dive into the video. First of all, open Amazon app on your device. After that, you will be directed to the home page of Amazon. As you can see, I have already added a product to my cart. So if I want to share all this product all at once, I will not be able to share all of them. So what we can do is share each at a time. So to share each product, we can just simply copy its link and then share. For that, tap on that product and you will see a share option at the screen, and tap on there again, and in this way you can share to your friends, family, or you can copy the link and then share item through mail, direct message. And then the next method that you can share your shopping product to your friends or relatives by inviting them to shopping list. For that, you have to create new list. Now tap onto that account option that you will see at the bottom of your screen, just near that cart option. Tap on there and here scroll a little bit and you will see your list option, see all. Since we don't have any list created, so we'll be creating a new one. For that, tap on that plus icon at the screen and type the shopping list name that you want to create. Suppose I want to go with my list, and I will go ahead and create a new list. After that, load your items from the shopping cart to this list and then invite the people that you want to share. And now you will be asked if you want to allow that person to view your product only, or if you want to allow that person to edit as well. So you can choose any of those. I will go with view only. So in this way you can copy the link and then share to other person, or you can mail, or you can text message. I hope this video helps you, and if you are new to the channel, please make sure to subscribe our channel, like the video, hit the bell icon, and stay tuned for more upcoming videos. And if you made it till the end, thank you for watching again. I will see you on next video.